Makerspaces grow out of the DIY movement, which is part of the punk scene in both in the 80s, 90s, early 2000s. And so the idea of Factory 2 was the brainchild, this one in particular, of John Hartman and Mike Wright. So they created a space where they could do that project at some scale.
So I became involved with Factory 2 back when they first opened. So the originators, Joel Rash and Mike Wright, approached me. They knew I was into blacksmithing, and they knew I had a little rig already kind of set up at my house. And they approached me and wanted to know if I'd be interested in kind of teaching other people the craft. And my family was very happy to see the blacksmithing equipment leave. So we brought it over here and we started to teach some classes. We came over here with 2 anvils and a couple of tools and the forge, and then it's grown to, we now have a gas-powered forge. We've had people donate other tools. We've collected a few more anvils, and you can see we can handle a decent-sized class now, about 3 or 4 people. Well, makerspaces are really great avenues for people to express their creativity. I always try to encourage people to think about the ways that working and making things is as much of an intellectual exercise as it is a manual exercise. One of the advantages of having a makerspace kind of right downtown, especially so close to our university, is it just shows students the many things there are to do in Flint off campus, and more of the things that this community has to offer. If you walk off campus, you'll see we have a makerspace, we have an innovation space downtown. So it's just another avenue for people to branch out, for people to think about what kind of skills and how they want to navigate through the world. The classroom's only part of that.